In this video, we're going to enter transactions into Revel for your repeat returns marketing. Once you log in, tap to start a new order. Then, enter the customer's name, email, or phone number in the search box. Tap the correct customer in the list of results to add them to the order. Now, go ahead and enter the customer's order, and then tap Pay. Points before the order are now shown. Enter the payment for the order, and then points are shown including this order. We've now seen how easy it is to enter transactions. Please check out our other videos for more helpful guides.